me get this thing started because it's hot. We need some AC. What is going on, everyone? Dominic Echandi here, bringing you back another video. I am very excited for today's video, but before we get started, I have to go grab a couple things from my garage. So let me head on over there. It is an absolutely beautiful day out today. All right, let's grab what we need. Guys, the reason I'm so excited is if you watch one of my last videos, I was talking about this. And today is the day because we finally got the car running. Okay, it's running, it looks fantastic, no front plate. We got the chin spoiler, and I know anybody who's watching this, especially like my family, my parents, no front plate. All right, well the other one that was on the rear was tearing up, so I had to use something, okay? And it looks good, so for now, that's how it's gonna stay. And if a cop pulls me over, that's what we're gonna tell him, okay? We're gonna go with that. But anywho, this is what we're doing today. Where I'm heading over to my buddy Ryan's house for a little barbecue with some friends. So it should be a good time. We're gonna bang this out while we're there. He's gonna help me install it because he's installed quite a few steering wheels himself. And yeah, so let me head on over there.
Everything, fuel pumps and shit.
Yeah.
It ended up being, it's called the fuel sender. So it sends the fuel to the pump.
And that was
it was a $130 part. All this time I spent $600 on a high pressure pump, another $600 on injectors, and all this time it was a little
$130 part. Isn't that sucks?
Yeah.
It's what car guys do though, right? Yeah. Trial and error. Yo, let me see, is this unlocked?
It's dirty in there.
Let me see this. Is this the steering wheel that you and your dad did?
Yeah.
Nice. Say what's up to the boy, Ryan. So Ryan and his dad they have wrapped steering wheels previously, right? Your dad wraps them and sells them.
Correct, yeah.
Which is nasty. I wish they could do it to mine, but it's apparently a kit, right?
Yep.
You guys do a kit that that you guys buy and then use that to wrap the steering wheel?
Correct, yeah.
Gotcha. All right, cool. So they don't know what this is. I mean, by the title and thumbnail, they're gonna know, but I've been keeping it a little secret, so I think it's time to finally reveal this beast. I'm gonna show you guys the new, okay? So first I wanna give a shout out, I mean I already kinda showed it, but I wanna give a shout out to my beautiful girlfriend who got me this for Christmas. It's been that long because the car's been out of commission, but here she is in all of her glory. Beautiful flat bottom steering wheel that we're finally able to put on. My steering wheel is the stock one, which is all leather wrapped, and at the very top it's all faded. So thank you, babe. I love you so much. This was an amazing gift, and I was super excited to finally get this going. So Ryan is kind enough to help me install it because, like I said previously, he has installed a handful of steering wheels. So we're gonna be doing that. So first step is to unhook the battery.
You saw your car and goes, "That's one freaking nice car."
You like it? You want to come check it out? You got Crocs?
Right, he does.
You got Crocs? I got Crocs. I'd be rocking the Crocs and socks. Open it up. Get inside. Take a feel for it. Sit inside. Just move that. Here, I'll take it. You got it and put it over there? Or...
It's a moment when I show up, God, I'm saying.
Wow.
Wow, right? Sit inside, drive it.
It looks cool.
Whoa! Yo, how many Hirsch powers do you think this is gonna give me?
A ton.
Try the 90 or the straight. So you got to pull these two little tabs off, and underneath there I believe is an 8mm And there's one on each side, that's for the airbag. So once you pull those out, boom, you'll be able to pull this right out of there. And then underneath there is a, you said it's a 24 mil?
Yeah.
24 millimeter, big juicy lug nut for the actual steering wheel itself. Bro, are you ready to house some burgers? Me too.
Yeah, bro. Speaking. Go.
Boom!
Yo, imagine that, bro.
Now there's two little tabs there for the airbag, so you gotta just pull them out just like that. Boom. Here we go. Can we just keep it like this?
Yeah, for sure.
That really is a 24 mil. Holy smokes, it's big.
Big boy.
Oh yeah.
Did you used to watch Little Toon when you were a kid?
Little Tune. I don't remember.
The little cat and the dog.
Cat dog?
Yeah, the cat and the dog.
It's like one cat dog but two heads.
Three-eyed frog with a feline canine, little cat dog, cat dog, cat dog.
Yo, has this thing ever been out of this car before?
What?
The steering wheel.
No. Why?
It's
Stripped?
Sorry, I've been hearing everybody getting hacked.
Why? It's coming off easy?
Yeah.
Why? Yours was mad hard?
Yeah, every time I do a BMW, it's hard as
Man, German engineering, huh?
What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? You trying to keep the clock in place?
Gotta...
Hey, there you go.
Cool. So now, gotta transfer everything.
All right. Let's do it! You ready? You ready? I'm ready. Are you ready? You wanna hold that for me?
What the fuck is wrong with this guy? Am I kidding me or what?
Take it out for a spin. You gotta take like a pry tool and pop it right into here, and then
Slender.
pop these suckers out, and then you just transfer everything over to the new steering wheel. And while we wait, we hydrate.
I really want to be him for Halloween.
Who?
Ghostface.
Who?
Ghostface.
Who's Ghostface?
You don't know Ghostface?
No. You act like I know all these people and watch your YouTubes.
I watch it all the time.
Bye to the old leather. Say bye to the old one.
Bye.
Bye.
I'll be like, hey, listen, can I take a test drive?
Who?
I'll be like, you think I could, take a spin around?
If he was staying later, I'd
Let
take
the
him.
ladies see me? I'm a baseball player, number 6. And I'm like, who the hell? He said it to a little girl.
Did he really?
I'm a baseball player, number 6. I'm like, shut the fuck, go. Go to your room. That's
Yo,
trouble.
he's funny.
Trouble.
That's amazing. It's in.
Let's see.
So when I bought the steering wheel, it's supposed to fit no problem with all the stock stuff. This is one of the pieces that transferred over from the original one, and it's not fitting all the way. I don't know if we can bend that or heat it or something, but, and then this piece too, a little loose but not too much, but overall it looks Looks money.
Good.
Looks real good.
That shit looks real good.
Feels real good.
Yep.
Feels fast. More horsepower.
Connect the battery, put the caps over the 8 mils.
Test everything real quick.
Yeah.
Test the buttons and stuff, and then we should be good.
Yeah, everything should work.
All right, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Ryan, appreciate you helping out, bro. You're the man, pots and pans. And make sure you like this video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next one.
Platica, manito, platica para noche, platica para